Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the all-new Honda Talon. We've just installed the Ruthless Street Legal Kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. You can see here on the front of the machine, we've installed the 3/4 inch round LEDs. You can put those anywhere on the machine that you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole. The Ruthless Street Legal Kit is activated with a column mount like you'll find in your car. Just simply push down left on the controller. You'll see the indicator lights up on the dash to let you know that the turn signals are on. Around the back side of the vehicle, you're going to see a new sweet feature here on the Ruthless kits. Turn signal flashing there is integrated into the stock tail lights. We love how the Ruthless kit is integrated into those stock tail lights. You don't have a lot of place on the back of the Talon to install those additional lights some of the other kits come with. Also on the Ruthless kit, horn buttons integrated into the end of the lever, and you do have the four-way hazard function. You can see the indicator lights up there on the dash, again to let you know the turn signals are on. You don't want to be that guy driving down the road with his turn signals on. You can see the four-way hazards functioning at this time. And there you can see it on the front. We do have these Ruthless kits available for every machine on the market. The Ruthless kits are all machine specific, so everything you're going to need is inside. Also on the Ruthless kit, you'll see the license plate mount down low. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We do have the Talon kits in stock, ready to ship. If you're down here in Moab at Rally on the Rocks, come see our booth. We got everything you need here at the booth for Rally on the Rocks. Street Legal kits in stock as well. Again, there you're looking at the all-new Honda Talon with the Ruthless Street Legal Kit installed. Have a great day, everybody. If you'd like, shoot me a text, 435-851-3637. My name's Jared at Big Pine Sports.